What's the difference between
breath and breathe?
Hello and welcome to everyone in our free education channel, in which we learn everything with the help of defined meaning and suitable example. Let me tell you first, in this channel, we are hosting a complete series on the difference between same pronounced words of English. This is the 6th video of What's the Difference series? If you are new to our channel, please click on the I button and watch the previous videos for better understanding. So, without wasting time, let we directly move towards our today's topic, that is what's the difference between
breath and breathe. There are many words in English language that differ by one letter only, but this one letter turns the noun into a verb.
You will easily learn everything slowly. So let we first discuss about
breath. Breath is a noun that describes the full circle of breathing, but also the air that is inhaled and exhaled.
You understand this definition with the help of some examples. Like, take a deep breath, and you will feel relaxed. Further examples are, slow down, I need a minute to catch my breath. Or, I took a deep breath of the fresh sea air. If you don't understand anything, repeat the lecture, and learn every point. If you get all the points, so let we move forward. Now we discuss the meaning and examples of
breathe. Breathe is a verb that means the process of inhaling and exhaling.
For example, he began to breathe in and out normally. Or, we breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide every day. We hope you understand the meaning and examples of breath and breathe. Note, the good news is, the meanings of these two words are closely linked together. So, the only one thing you need to be careful of is whether you need a noun or a verb. Here the video ends. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, click the like button, and don't forget to share the video with your friends. Keep loving, keep supporting, keep sharing. The end.